Welcome to our step-by-step installation guide for the unified long rail solar structure on a metal rooftop. Follow along to learn the process, ensuring a secure and efficient setup. It is designed for landscape module orientation on metal rooftops, built to withstand harsh weather conditions with wind speeds of up to 200 km per hour. Start by placing the unified Cleat on the trapezoidal metal roof, aligning it precisely with the spacing from purlin to purlin. Secure the Cleat firmly to the roof using an SDS drill for a stable hold. Gently place the long rail onto the unified Cleat and secure it with Allen bolts, nuts, and washers, ensuring a tight fit. With the base structure ready, we can now install the solar modules. Begin by sliding rail nuts onto the long rail, spacing them according to your module layout. Carefully place each solar module onto the long rail, aligning it with the rail nuts. Secure the modules using our premium module clamps, along with end clamps and mid clamps, fastening each with Allen bolts and washers. Ensure all connections are tight to prevent any movement or shifting over time. This robust setup is now ready to deliver clean, reliable energy, protected from water leakage and built to last. We provide the best quality and technical support you're always looking for. Your 70% project cost is resting on 3% structural cost, so don't compromise on 3%, choose wisely. Sunrack Technologies, anchor your investment safely.